Welcome to my bathroom. I've been thinking about this for a while and I never thought a day was actually going to come that I'll do it. I've been natural for 4 years. I went natural in 2016 and from a country where hair relaxer is the norm. If you grow your hair out, you are expected to put relaxer and you are going to put relaxer. But when I came to Italy, I was in the refugee reception center. I couldn't afford a relaxer. I think it was about €7 then, but I could not afford it. That was the #1 reason I went natural. But I'm no longer broke. I can afford pretty much almost everything I need. But I decided to remain natural because I actually love. Oh my god, why am I stretching up? Is it too up? Okay, let me bring it down a bit. Now it's been 4 years. I've been thinking about cutting my entire hair off. And I said before I do that, let me try a relaxer and see if I'm going to like it. I am from a country where relaxer is the norm and the order of the day. If you're from Nigeria, you know relaxer is the norm. It's the only way we knew how to take care of our hair. Except recently, a lot of people are being aware that relaxer is not the only option. So a lot of people are going natural. This is actually how long my hair is on the side. This is how long the back is. This is how long the back is. I'm thinking about this for a very long time. I mean, the relaxer I'm using today, I got it last year. We are now in March. I think today is, let me see. What's today's date? Okay. Today is 9th March and the relaxer I'm going to be using today, I got it in November last year. In about going bald. I've had my hair for more than a decade. I've always had haircuts, but I've never gone bald. So I was actually thinking of going bald. Okay, let me just try the relaxer and see if I'm going to like my hair back. So I didn't comb it because I'm tender-headed. Separated the front in 2 and 1, and I'm just going to leave the back like this. I'll begin by putting on my gloves. By the way, these gloves came with the relaxer. I'm I'm using olive ORS organic root stimulator. It came in this box. It's instruction guide on how to mix and use the product. There's also a 50-gram hair conditioner, a wrapping set, a moisturizing hair oil, and liquid activator. Then it came with the relaxer. I already used this to mix the relaxer. I'm gonna be using olive oil to protect my ears and my hairline. I'm going to begin on the front part, starting from my right hand side. There are two reasons I'm actually doing this. One, I'm losing a lot of hair. Whenever I comb my hair, not just losing a lot of hair. The first issue I'm having is that I am very tender-headed, so whenever I comb my hair, now I feel a lot of pain. I used to feel a lot of pain right from the beginning, but now it's worse. So that's one reason. And since my hair has grown, it has gotten thicker and stronger. So I believe that's the reason the intensity of the pain has increased. And the second reason is because each time I comb my hair, I lose a lot of hair. There are two things I'm expecting to happen after this relaxer. I expect my hair to be softer, and I also expect to feel less pain whenever I comb my hair. If you are going to be doing relaxer, be careful not to get it on your eye and your skin like I just did here. This can cause irritation on your skin. Can you imagine? I put relaxer on my hair and my natural coils are popping. Can you see? This is so strange. I want to relax myself. My natural hair is almost straight. I don't know if you can see. All my coils are gone. That is what relaxer does to afro hair. It permanently straightens out the natural coils and leave your hair straight, coilless like Oyibo hair. Like this side on my hair is well stretched out, whereas on this other side you can still see my natural hair. You know, before I started, I applied oil around my hair to protect my hairline, so I applied too much on this other side. When you put oil on your hair before relaxer, your relaxer may not work. This is a clear evidence. I'm going to wash off the relaxer and I'll be right back. I just finished rinsing out the relaxer. I also washed the hair with the shampoo. Now I'm going to be applying the hair conditioner that came with the relaxer. I love to start from the tips of my hair and work my way to the root, because the tips of the hair tend to be more fragile. I'll be leaving the conditioner in for 1 hour, covering it with a plastic bag while it sits. I'm going to go take a nap for 1 hour. I'll see you later. I just rinsed out conditioner, but the tips of my hair are still very much coily. I believe my entire hair didn't get enough relaxer. That's why the hair on the back of my head is still coily. I'm going to be applying my moisturizing oil. This is what it looks like. I really do not know how I feel about this, honestly. I guess I'm going to wait for a few days and film an update. Don't go without liking the video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Bye for now.